As someone who's growing up and living my whole life in the city, the beauty and peacefulness of living in the countryside have always attracted me. Yangshuo is one of those places where I would love to live. Here are just some of the reasons for that. You can get around easily and quickly with a scooter.
Who's driving?
Your outdoor activities will include bamboo rafting and fishing. It works sometimes, but not always.
这是捕什么鱼啊？什么都
捕那个毛骨鱼啊，还有长寿鱼啊。
长寿鱼。
At least I didn't even see half of a fish in the water.
Waiting photo shot. So this the Chinese version of Vienna. 师傅2个小时挺累的哦。
蛮累的，不过习惯就可以了。
习惯就好。Donald Duck.
There is a bar area in the center with tons of restaurants and street food options. A traditional street market nearby with great restaurants with live music. Yangshuo is famous for its fish in beer sauce.
师傅这什么呀？
什么鱼酱？
Good. Chili 什么 ？Really fresh fish.
有点加的荔枝酱料
Sauces, secret sauces. Rice wine.
可以了啊，兄弟们吃啦。
是的。Spring onion. It doesn't taste like beer.
Did you subscribe yet? If not, click here. Click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。